Can you legally protect your secret family recipe or that innovative culinary creation you've perfected? The answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Let's explore the world of recipe protection and the legal options available to safeguard your culinary masterpieces. When it comes to protecting recipes, there are several legal avenues to consider: trademarks, patents, copyrights, and trade secrets. Each offers different types of protection and has its own set of requirements. Let's start with trademarks. Trademarking a recipe doesn't actually protect the recipe itself, but rather the name or branding associated with it. For example, you can't trademark the ingredients or method for making a chocolate chip cookie, but you could trademark a unique name for your specific version, like Grandma's Heavenly Choco Chips. This prevents others from using that name, even if they create a similar product. To trademark a recipe name, you need to ensure it's unique and not already in use. You'll need to conduct a thorough search of existing trademarks and then file an application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. The process can take up to a year and involves fees, but it's a valuable way to protect your brand identity. Now, what about patents? Patents for recipes are rare and difficult to obtain. To be eligible for a patent, a recipe must involve a unique, non-obvious food process. Simply mixing existing ingredients in a new way typically doesn't qualify. However, if you've invented a revolutionary cooking method or a truly novel food product, you might have a shot at a patent. Copyright is another form of protection, but it has limited application for recipes. Individual recipes generally can't be copyrighted unless they include substantial creative expression beyond the mere listing of ingredients and basic instructions. However, a cookbook with original commentary, stories, or unique presentation might qualify for copyright protection. For many in the food industry, trade secrets are the go-to method for protecting recipes. Famous examples include the Coca-Cola formula and KFC's original recipe. To maintain a trade secret, you must keep the information confidential. This often involves using non-disclosure agreements with employees and limiting access to the full recipe. Some businesses opt to combine different forms of protection. For instance, you might trademark your product's name and logo while keeping the recipe itself a trade secret. This dual approach can provide more comprehensive protection for your culinary creation. However, it's important to note that enforcing recipe protection can be challenging. Competitors may attempt to reverse engineer publicly available products, which is generally legal unless it violates a patent or trade secret. Additionally, legal action to protect recipes can be costly and time-consuming. In conclusion, while there's no foolproof way to completely protect a recipe, understanding these legal options can help you safeguard your culinary innovations. Whether through trademarks, patents, trade secrets, or a combination of methods, you can take steps to protect your unique creations in the competitive world of food and beverage. Remember, the best approach often depends on your specific situation and business goals. Consider consulting with a legal professional to determine the most effective strategy for protecting your culinary masterpieces.